Panguva ine kunonzi there are some pictures which have surfaced today morning. Kutoonekwa kunzi mutungamiri wenyika President Idi Mnangagwa after leaving Zimbabwe unannounced. Hapana any official statement kana any meeting or a farewell from his top security or his government or my top officials. He just left the country. Panguva ine pozobuda ma pictures after President Idi Mnangagwa visited the vault ku RBZ. Now there are some pictures which have surfaced. Arodziri mutungamiri wenyika President Emmerson Mnangagwa is in Belarus. Sadapena mashu pamudanyo kwa panguva ino it was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Majara Jato Samdanyura GT. Soon after visiting the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe gold vault, Idi Mnangagwa loaded bags and left the country covertly in the middle of the night. In the recent years, Mnangagwa, his wife and sons have been going up and down to Belarus with minerals for all the love of wealth accumulation. Anoposema pictures ya muri kuona mutungamiri wenyika ari ku Belarus arichita rather kuti there are some discussions ari kuitiwa the leadership yeku Belarus. But developments aita kuti nyika yeZimbabwe even more questions than answers, starting from when he left, leaving the country without an official announcement, and today after 1 or 2 days pictures are now surfacing. People, they are not aware of what was going on. But developments are panguva ino anosiyama questions which people will be worried with what is going on. Are we still safe? Doma developments aripo panguva ino nokwa kuzi the ruling party ZANU-PF panguva ino iri mubishi ichimanya ichida kuti irambe ichirimena ari on to power, kuti panguva ino 2020 yachisvika kusaitwa ma-elections, but the current state iripo panguva ino leadership iripo ingoramba iripo. Ina comment section medu dzafungura enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like chito on the bell icon.